Hi, my dear students. This is your Prasanna Harikrishna sir, Assistant Professor of Botany, SRR Government Arts and Science College, Karimnagar. So today we are going to see the respiratory quotient. So it is simply called as RQ. Okay. So RQ stands for respiratory quotient. Okay. So what is respiratory quotient? The name itself says that respiratory quotient. So respiratory quotient is related to respiration. Clear? So how can we define respiratory quotient? RQ is equals to, remember, so RQ is equals to liberated, okay, so liberated CO2, or you can say released CO2 molecules, or number of liberated CO2 molecules by utilized oxygen molecules. Okay, so utilized O2. Clear? So number of liberated CO2 molecules by number of utilized oxygen molecules is considered as the respiratory quotient of one particular substrate. Okay, so this respiratory quotient can be measured with the Ganang's respirometer. Okay, so Ganang's respirometer is an instrument which is useful for the measuring of RQ of any of the substrates. Clear? Whether it may be carbohydrate, or it may be protein, or it may be fat or organic acid. Clear? So Ganang's respirometer is an instrument which is useful for measuring the RQ of one particular substrate. Clear? So this respiratory quotient is based on, the RQ value is based on the type of substrate. Okay, the type of substrates may be classified into different segments. Substrates are available in the nature. For example, substrate may be carbohydrates, substrate may be protein or fat, or organic acid, or different. Clear? So it RQ value is based on the substrate and the number of oxygen molecules in substrate. Okay, so number of oxygen molecules in substrate. So these two are the factors which influence on the RQ value. Okay, so generally remember whenever the RQ number, what is that? Carbon number is equals to oxygen, right? It is case number 1. So different cases I want to tell you. So cases. Case number 1, whenever there is carbon number which is equivalent to oxygen number of the substrate. Okay, for example, if you are given one substrate, in that particular substrate carbon number is equivalent to oxygen number. In that particular case, the RQ value will be 1. Okay, so if the carbon number is equivalent to oxygen number, the substrate RQ will be 1. Clear? Case number 2, second case. So if the carbon number is high when the oxygen number is low. Okay, whenever the carbon number is high, whenever the oxygen number low is in a particular substrate, the RQ will be less than 1. Okay, less than 1. Then number 3, third case, whenever the carbon number is low and oxygen number is high. Clear? The RQ will be more than 1. Okay, more than 1. Then if carbon number is there but there is no oxygen, means what? Oxygen is not utilized, means oxygen is not added to the process. So this in this case RQ will be infinitive. Okay, RQ will be infinitive. Clear? Then last case number 5. So carbon is there but oxygen liberation does not take place. Okay, there is no liberation or release of oxygen. Carbon is available with the substrate. In this case RQ will be 0. RQ will be 0. So this is about, respiratory quotient. Just, remember all the cases. The formula or general formula of respiratory quotient is liberated carbon dioxide molecules, the number of liberated carbon dioxide molecules by the number of utilized oxygen molecules. This is in a formula or the definition of respiratory quotient. Right. So we can assess, we can simply say if the RQ is 1, that compound may be what? That compound may be what? If RQ is less than 1, that compound may be this. If RQ is more than 1, that compound may be this. We can easily say according to the respiratory quotient of the substrate. Okay now. So here some of the cases are available with us. Case number 1, if the carbon number and oxygen number of the substrate are same. Okay, the total number of carbons and the total number of oxygens in a particular substrate are same, the RQ, respiratory quotient number, will be 1. Then if carbon number is more when compared to oxygen number in a particular substrate, the respiratory quotient will be less than 1. Then if the carbon number is less when compared to oxygen number of the substrate, the RQ will be more than 1. So if the carbon is available with the substrate but there is no addition or utilization of oxygen, so in this particular case the RQ will be infinitive. Then if the carbon number is present with the substrate but there is no liberation of there is no liberation or release of oxygen, so in this particular case RQ will be 0. Okay, so this is about the complete information of different cases. For example, I want to tell you the examples. So if carbon number is equivalent to oxygen number, the RQ will be 1. So the best example for this case is carbohydrates. What is that? So carbohydrates. Then if the carbon number is high when compared to oxygen number of the substrates, the RQ will be less than 1. The example for this case is fats and proteins. So fats and proteins. Then if the carbon number is less when compared to oxygen number of the substrate, the RQ will be more than 1. Example, organic acids like malic acid, tartaric acid, citric acid, etc. Then if the carbon number is present with the substrate but there is no utilization or addition of oxygen, so in this case RQ will be infinitive. So a best example is anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration. In anaerobic respiration there is no addition of oxygen. Okay, then if carbon number is present with the substrate, there is no release or liberation of oxygen, the RQ will be 0. So succulent plants. Example for this case is succulent plants like Opuntia, cactus, etc. Okay, so these are the cases and these are the examples. Then I want to tell you one or two sample examples with complete description. Okay, so I will tell you 2 or 3 examples. Just remember, carbohydrates. Case 1, that is carbohydrates. Okay, so for example you take glucose as an example. So in aerobic respiration, glucose undergoes into breakdown process. C6H12O6 plus 6 moles of oxygen is added. Clear? Then 6 moles of CO2 is liberated and 6 moles of water is formed and some amount of energy, that is 686 kilocalories of energy, is formed. Clear? So this is an equation of aerobic respiration. Okay, what is the substrate here? The substrate is glucose. Glucose nothing but what? Carbohydrate. Clear? So now according to our formulae, that is RQ, respiratory quotient is equals to number of CO2 molecules by number of oxygen molecules. Then come to RQ of carbohydrate, or you can say glucose, is, so whatever the number of carbon dioxide, 6 carbon dioxides. Whatever the number of oxygens, 6 O2. Okay, then 6 by 6 is equals to 1. Okay, So if you do some exercise, 6 by 6 is equals to not 0. It always 0 does not take place. Always there is 1. Okay. So 1. So case 1 is what? RQ will be 1 if the carbon and oxygen number will be same. Okay. So this is about carbohydrates. Then come to second case, fats and proteins. So fats and proteins. So then come to second one, that is fats and proteins. I'll tell you one example of fat, that is trioline. So C57 H102 O6 plus 80 O2 is added. Then there is a formation of 57 molecules of CO2, 52 molecules of water. Clear? So if you calculate RQ of fat, that is trioline, so RQ is equals to number of CO2, that is 57 CO2 by number of O2, that is 80 O2. Then if you calculate, so if you do some exercise, the number will be 0.7. Okay. So RQ value of fats is around 0.7. If you calculate proteins, RQ value of proteins around 0.8 to 0.9. This is an RQ value of proteins. Clear? Then come to, I want to tell you one more example, that is organic acids. So organic acids. So organic acids, if you take an example of C4H6O5, right? C4H6O5 plus 3O2, right? C4H6O5, this is malic acid, the formula of malic acid. Then 4CO2 plus 3H2O. Okay, 4CO2 plus 3H2O. Then calculate RQ, simple. So what about the number of CO2s? 4 by number of O2, 3. So if you do it, so 1.3333 something. Okay, so 1.333 something, nothing but what? More than 1. The RQ value of organic acids will be more than 1. The RQ value of fats and proteins will be less than 1. RQ value of carbohydrates will be equivalent to 1. Okay now? So this is about the entire picture of respiratory quotient of different compounds. Clear? So this is about RQ value. So in next session we will discuss another topic. Thank you one and all.